Futurist, Jim Carroll, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, here with an investment firm and their clients to talk about future trends, disruption and what is occurring in industries, but with a commercial, industrial, real estate focus. This organization is focused on investments in that sector. And who we have in the room are wealth managers, money managers, folks who are making decisions on behalf of their clients in terms of where they're going to invest in the future. So a very small group, probably only about 30 executives. This is one of many events that I do in the venture capital, equity capital, private investment, wealth management industry. Look, I was over in Athens, Greece a number of years ago with a group of people known as family office managers. These are the people who manage the money of the world's wealthiest individuals. I had about 200 of them in the room. They wouldn't give me a list of who was there, but I know I had the Bill and Melinda Gates Family Foundation in the room. I know I had a bunch of German senior executives, very wealthy people in the room. I know I had money from Hong Kong, Singapore, literally almost $1 trillion of value in the room. And I was talking about future trends. What comes next? Where are we going to see growth? Where are we going to see challenges? Where are we going to see disruption? And that's what I'm doing in the room here today. A very generalized talk on the disruptive trends which are defining our future. But a little more specifically, what does that mean in terms of what's going to happen with real estate? What's the impact of Amazon as it destroys the retail marketplace and as retail space begins to dry up? Well, what happens there is we see the emergence of a lot of logistics industries, warehousing, last mile shipping, a lot of growth in other sectors of the real estate industry as retail comes to shut down. So it's going to be a fun talk, going to be covering a lot of ground. You can probably read more about this one later on my website.